Hello, this is a new one I'm working on. It's the Tamiya 1:35 1 ton KFZ 69. It's actually a towing truck and it comes with a 3.7mm anti-tank gun. So far I've assembled most of it. I did have some trouble with the wheels, because when I put everything on, I found that then they were so close they were rubbing together, so I had to redo them and put them apart a bit. Also noticed the white part, because I actually lost this part and couldn't find it. So it's actually just made out of some plastic card. That's not too bad, but I did find when I was looking another piece. It was for another model that I'd already made a part. So I haven't put the spare wheels on yet. I've put together the anti-tank gun, so that's all ready to go. It also comes with quite a few accessories, so you can put them how you like on the model. It comes with the windscreen or windshield, which is now very thin compared to how they used to be. I shall put this on once I've painted it. And also you get some wire which can go at the front. It's just showing you where you can put the wire on the front, but I wouldn't leave it as copper. Again, with Tamiya, I found they've made it so you can turn the wheels, but these will come off. They're just on polycaps, so I can paint them easy. They give you quite a few decal choices depending on where it was deployed. There's not that many decals that go on. Yeah, this is what I was saying, they're just these poly caps, so the wheels are easy to put on or off. So I normally as well put all the tools and I paint them afterwards. For the glues or cement, I tend to use this to put on and then I stick the next piece on. If I've put the pieces together already, I tend to use this, which then with capillary action it just then goes into the joints. As long as your fingers are not in the way, which I've done a few times, you'll get your fingerprint on it. Did buy this one. I found it not as good as the Tamiya one. So I'll be handy in the comments to let me know, what you use. Well, thank you for watching. I will now give this a coat of primer and finish the figures off. Thank you.